not very often that we get one of these special homes on the outskirts of Jacksonville on the west hills of Medford with panoramic views of the valley. This gorgeous Craftsman home has its own pool, shop, 6 acres. I cannot wait to introduce you to this gorgeous home. Absolutely love this kitchen. Custom cabinetry with Viking appliances, a skylight, views of the valley while you're making dinner. So one of the things that I love about this home is that there are 3 distinct living spaces and every single one of them has a panoramic view of the valley. This could be a perfect 2-family setup. We've got a split floor plan, a master bedroom with bathroom en suite. On the opposite side of the home, we have 3 more bedrooms, one of which is a master with its own bathroom as well. I hope you've enjoyed this episode of EGTV. I'm Ellie George at HomeQuest Realty. This is one of my favorite crushes in the valley right now. Give me a call for more information.